This is the queue. And it trails all the way.
We're going to Café.
I think because we have baggage.
But
We have baggage. Seems like COVID is over.
we still have to wear a mask.
Yeah, but the airport is so crowded now.
Lucky we came early. Are we going straight to departure?
Yeah, let's go in.
Then we need to queue again.
Breakfast. What can we get here? Microwave.
I just want something light. I think everybody is very unfamiliar with like the traveling process.
TR 624 to Bangkok. All passengers, please proceed for immediate boarding.
Late.
20 minutes to the flight.
Where's my
Hello, good morning. Welcome on. Have a good flight. Hi, good morning.
finally on the plane. And we got to change seats somehow.
Yep. Lucky it's full, but it's like maybe about 80% full.
Charge welfare and safety cabin for lovely Carrie. Thank you for your attention and once again, welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on this aircraft. Please give your attention to the cabin crew at the front of the cabin.
Bye.
Look at that crowd.
Collected our luggages and we're on to the next flight. Hello! We're here in Bangkok. So we decided to come to Bangkok post-COVID because it's a familiar place. There's not much planning to be done, and yeah, we thought we'd show you how Bangkok looks like post-COVID. What are things open and how things have changed, like maybe Chatuchak or certain malls that we will visit, the night markets. So now, guess where we are?
You will never guess it.
On our next flight on 747 Café.
Oh my god, it's really an airplane. They plugged an airplane and put it here.
Yeah, you can see the engine side.
Wow, I'm so excited.
But the thing is, we have to carry our luggages.
Oh.
It's 120 baht per pax for entrance. So, yep, we'll see you up there. So it is 120 baht each, and then you can exchange for a free drink up there.
Let's go with 2 luggages.
If the remaining then exceeds 120 baht, you can pay the extra. The boarding pass cannot be exchanged for bakery. Thank you.
So cool. Smells like a cafe here already. We can exchange these tickets for a drink that is less than 120 baht.
And one dirty Boeing.
Up to 120 baht.
And strawberry smoothie.
So we're getting 2 coffees.
Strawberry smoothie, yes. Our snack before lunch.
Great. Breakfast, if we haven't had breakfast. And look at the view. It's a sunny day. Weather looks good.
Yes.
It's gonna be a smooth flight. No turbulence.
Hello, this is your captain speaking. Dirty Boeing. Your coffee.
Hey, why are you so fancy?
I'm having a smoothie.
How much is the smoothie?
170.
Oh,
Yours is 150.
yes.
So it's about 4 USD, 5 USD. About
On the pricey side.
yeah. But I mean for the budget.
Yeah, for the. This is dirty boy.
Try your dirty Boeing.
Try.
It's strong.
Quite strong.
Yes.
On top is all coffee, it's hot on top, and then below is like ice cold.
What's that? Is that the milk? Condensed milk? Oh, it's very cool. Oh, I think it could be ice cream. Yeah, just use this.
Okay, let me try. It's very nice.
Oh, let me try.
Very nice.
And it's smooth. Wow. It's an interesting taste. It's quite bitter, but then I don't know.
It's
The
nice.
cream is
I can accept it.
special. Oh,
Like, it's very bitter, but I can accept it.
nice.
This cannot go wrong. I mean, it's nice.
She recommended cheesecake.
There's so many cheesecakes there, and she said, "Oh, the cheesecake."
So this is actually the shell of the plane. Yeah. It's very lightweight. Yeah. So what you see here is the skeleton And then on the normal plane, you have another insulation layer. It could be the cabin overhead compartment.
Ah.
Yeah, correct. So that's where it's hanging from.
Airplane lesson 101. So I was asking how old this plane is and I saw a date here. 1992. Wow. That's so old. That's 30 years old. Let's show you the ticket in detail. No PDPA here.
Name of it.
Oh, okay. This is our memento. This is the plane's turbine? Or what do you call it? The fan basically. And this part of the plane there's the windows, not only the shell. We are going up to the cockpit. turbine. You wanna go up? It was burning.
At least we are glad that there's no rain.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And it was worth it. Retired.
From the luggage.
He's going to be